Have you ever run across a carousel on Instagram and you've ever wondered how the heck do people do that? I want to learn how to do that. How do I make sliding posts that look like they're seamlessly one big post? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you two different ways, one in Photoshop and one on your phone. Let's go. So the thing with Instagram is it's all about attention. So carousels are a great way to do that because when you have a carousel, you have the option to really hook your viewers with the swiping feature. If you have a hook in the beginning of your Instagram post and that says top 5 things about, learning or top 5 ways to do whatever, and now you have your audience's attention, they're gonna swipe, they're gonna swipe, and they're gonna swipe, and that's gonna engage with your Instagram posts. Doing this is gonna retain your audience's attention and make your posts a lot more shareable. There's a lot more value that you can pack into one post by doing an Instagram carousel. It is a great way to teach people things, to show off multiple items, and just keep your audience's attention, because attention is the game. Let me just set up my station real fast and then we'll get right into it. We're gonna get right into it right now. We're gonna wanna open up a new Photoshop document. I named mine Instagram. You're gonna wanna make sure it's set to 1080 by 1350. And the reason for that is so that way you can have more real estate on your Instagram posts. Doing 1080 by 1080 is gonna give you a square, give you less of a chance to be seen on Instagram. So this is gonna maximize all the real estate on somebody's phone when they're scrolling through Instagram. So 300 resolution, RGB color, and everything else is fine. So click create. And so now we have our document. So before we begin, we need to start with creating an artboard. We wanna go up to layer, new artboard. And you're gonna wanna make sure your name is, whatever. So we'll call it Instagram. And then we'll set this to custom 1080 by 1350. Click OK. And now we see each artboard as a post. So this is post number 1. This is gonna be the first post people see. So let's say we wanna have around 5 posts. So what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna go to the Instagram artboard and go Command J, and then we have another artboard, which will act as our second post. Do that 3 more times. And now we have our carousel ready to go. We're gonna post, we're gonna create content, we're gonna put it inside, and then we're gonna make sure that everything is lined up seamlessly. So after you've created your artboards, you're gonna wanna fill each artboard up with the content that you want to produce and the content you wanna show off. I'm gonna speed up the video. I'm gonna do a quick little Instagram post, nothing fancy. I'm probably just gonna type something, I don't know, something random, and I'll show you how to export it. Okay, so now that we got all of our Instagram posts ready, this is a very, very bad carousel, but it's carousel nonetheless. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna make sure you go to all your artboards on your right side, click and hit shift and then select all, go to your file, export, and then save artboard to files. What you're gonna wanna do is name your prefix to whatever it is you want, put your destination to wherever. So for me, I'm just gonna put it in my desktop. Include overlapping areas checked off, artboard content only, export selected artboards. Make sure this is set to JPEG, and then you're gonna wanna make sure your quality is set to high. Click run, and then it will export all of your Instagram posts, and that is how you create a carousel. Bring it over to Instagram and select everything in order, and there you go. Boom, Instagram carousel done in Photoshop. So now I'm gonna bring you over into your phone, and you're gonna wanna make sure you download the app called Over. It is free, it's a free design app, one of my favorites to use, and I will show you how to do an Instagram carousel in there. So first thing you wanna do is open up your Over app and click the plus button, and then you're gonna wanna select either transparent, black, or white. Honestly, it doesn't really matter, but for the sake of simplicity, click white, and then you're gonna wanna scroll over to the left, and there is an Instagram portrait option. Click the check mark, and let's say you wanna do 3 Instagram posts in one carousel. We're gonna wanna go to the top right here and click on the plus button. That will make more than one project inside of your project, which basically means you're making more than one post. Click that 2 to 3 times, and now you have 1 post, 2 posts, and 3 posts. And you're gonna wanna go in and make whatever it is you're gonna make, whatever the post is. So this is an Instagram Oh, Instagram post. So go in, make your Instagram posts, click the check mark, swipe over. Line up your text and whatnot, go to your project, swipe over to the next one, and then you're gonna just make whatever it is. So go in and change. You can see your Instagram carousels by simply doing this. And then once you're finally done making up your post, click this little export option, and then it's gonna export 3 different documents. Go ahead and click save all pages, and they will save it in PNG format, and it will be in your photos. Really quick and easy. All of it depends on the content that you put into it. Obviously, I just went through it real fast just by putting plain simple text. You can add photos, you can add videos, you can add whatever it is you want to these carousels. In Photoshop and in Over, take the time to make your Instagram posts beautiful. Don't do what I did and just rush it. I only showed you how to do the actual setting up process, but now it's your turn to actually fill in the gaps. So that is how you make Instagram carousels in Photoshop and on your phone. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment down below on other strategies that you use to make Instagram carousels, and I will see you in the next one.